Hi guys, Audio Direct here, bright and early in the morning. The Hummer H2 is done and it is looking rather fabulous. A quick walk around as the owner's anticipating delivery right now. Front parking sensors installed, front camera installed as part of the 360 system, as you can see, looking rather factory with a side camera and the rear camera mounted as well as rear sensors to final camera, making up the 360 system on the rear here. 12.5-inch HD Android screens. They actually connect up to the front screen as well, made for the Hummer retrofit. And we've also connected up the rear interface as well, the original rear screen. Here you can see, just go into the video input, double tap that, and it'll tell you want to come onto AV screen and see exactly what's on the front screen is replicated onto the rear as well. Fantastic system, completely integrated. Very, very, very pleased. And they run independently as well. So you can see a quick double tap will bring up the menu, asking if you want to go. And these got HDMI in as well. So there we go. Even telling you that the door's open. Everything connected up. Fantastic system. The 360 camera on this thing is just superb, to the point where when I hit the indicator, it pulls it up automatically. Right side, left side. And of course, defaults back to the main screen, put the vehicle into reverse, and you get a proper 360, absolutely crystal clear image, and helps when maneuvering this superb beast. Pleasure doing this Hummer H2. This has been another fantastic transformation by Audio Direct.